Hey my beautiful kids divas, it is your girl Traycee Simmons. Yes, I went blonde, and if you have not seen that video, I will leave it at the end of the video so you can check that link and see your girl go blonde. Well, anyways, I have a hair haul for you guys. If you saw the title, I know you're like, what the hell, Traycee? But to my defense, let me plead my case on why I spent so much money. Number one, I made 2 large purchases, which were hair tools, and that made the bulk of my haul. I did buy some products. You guys know I'm on my, simplified minimalist. I don't like the word minimalist anymore. That's why you don't hear me say it. But I'm on a simplifying my life, trying not to own more things than what I have to own, and that includes my hair journey. So I don't own a lot of hair products like I did before. I have 1 or 2 shampoos at one time, 1 or 2 styling products at one time, 1 or 2 conditioners at one time. The only thing that I own a little bit more of is conditioners, and I may own like 3 or 4 deep conditioners at a time instead of 1 or 2. The only problem with that is when I run out of everything at one time. So, but I prefer to do that than have, worry about storage and cabinets and shelves and all of that. So anyway, let's just jump into this haul, but I had to plead my case because I didn't want you guys to think I've just completely lost my mind, because I haven't. I'm still saying. And all of this was purchased, FYI, over like a 4-week period of time. The first purchase is closest and dearest to my heart, and I do plan on doing a full review on this, but it was one of those things that I didn't want to do a first impressions on. I wanted to actually use it over a period of time before I did a review, and I've been using it for about 4 weeks now, and it is the Dyson. Yes, it is a Dyson blow dryer. It was expensive, but it was so worth it. Right now I have the what is this one called? Part of on there. I can't think of what this piece is called, but it actually does come with a diffuser, which I was not sure that it did, because if you go on like Ulta or any of that, when you go on the website, it does not show the diffuser on the website. But when you purchase it, it will come with 2 it comes with 3 attachments, 2 of these and a diffuser. So that was the first large purchase that I made. This is $3.99. Like, and it's so funny because my husband will tease me, because if I, if my hair is wet and he touches me, I'm like, stop, my hair is wet. And he's like, why don't you use your $1,000 hair dryer? And I'm like, he thinks I'm crazy. But to me, stuff like this is an investment because I do my hair at home. I don't go to the shop every month or every week. I do my hair. So with it colder and me having to sometimes cold wash or wash my hair in the middle of the week, and I've got to go to work the next day, I can't go to sleep with wet hair. I don't want, and I've been catching a lot of viruses lately. My whole family has. So I love this because it dries my hair so fast. It was so definitely worth the purchase. The next large purchase was a steamer. I am so happy to have a steamer again, and I will have links to all of these products in the description box. A lot of the stuff was purchased on Amazon because it saves me time and money. I don't have to go from store to store to look for stuff. You guys know I was a big fan of the hair steamer before. I used to promote and work with Beautiful. Part of the reason why I ordered the hair steamer, and that was part of my birthday gift, was because, I've bleached my hair. So I want to make sure my hair is very moisturized, and when I deep condition, I wanted that deep condition. When I do my hot oil treatments, I want to make sure it penetrates my hair. I do plan on steaming my hair once a week with a deep conditioner. The next thing that I purchased was this water spray, and I've been seeing people use it on YouTube, but it wasn't until I got my hair done and I saw her use it, and I was like, oh, I need that. It sprays, let's see if it shows. It sprays like a mist. Like, can you see that? Ooh, and it doesn't shoot out in one space. It sprays in a mist, and I like the mist because I mist my hair and then moisturize it, and it doesn't mess up my hair because I'm not like shooting one area with water, so it doesn't like frizz it. So every morning I spritz my hair with this and then go in with a moisturizer, and my hair is moisturized. The next thing I purchased was some Shea Moisture. What I'm learning about Shea Moisture is the styling products and smoothies and stuff has not been working on my hair lately. I don't know why, because my hair used to love it, but they're like core products like shampoo or their rinse out conditioner, deep conditioners work great. So I did purchased the raw shea butter reconstructive conditioner to detangle with in the shower, and I bought the shampoo. I was completely out of shampoo, you guys. Completely out of rinse out conditioners. So what you're seeing is basically what I own right now. Is what I bought. I did purchase the deep conditioning mask, and I do plan on deep conditioning more. I'm gonna wait to see how my hair feels, but I already deep condition once a week, but if I have to up my deep conditioning to twice a week with my new colored hair, then that's what I'll do. I also did purchase this Shea Moisture's Manuka and Honey deep conditioner. And I had stopped using this for a period of time because I was thinking this was causing me to itch, and it definitely is this conditioner. So I have like more than half of this left, and I will not be using it because I don't know if it's I don't know what it is, but I'm definitely allergic to something in this conditioner. It's crazy. I did get the other conditioner, which is the Super Complex 10-in-1 Renewal System. I did get this deep conditioner also. I did get the coconut and hibiscus one that I used to love so much. And then I also got the raw shea butter extra moisturizing transitioning milk. I thought this one might be really good with my colored hair now, so I'm gonna see how that works. I did already do a review on this one, and this is the Quidad. Did you hear your girl say it right? Quidad. If you did not see my review on this, I like murdered the name. Definitely check out that video if you want to see a review on that. I did purchase this. This thing is so big and so large. It's like lasting me forever. So if you are thinking about this conditioner, definitely get it. It's worth it. Even though it is on the higher side, the way it applies and the size of it, 12 ounces, it does last a good period of time. Since we've already started talking about deep conditioners, I did, and this was off Amazon. I'll have the link again in the description box. This is the Deva Curl Melt into Moisture and the Deva Curl Deep Sea Repair. So I got the, the big one of both of these. And it's so funny because people, when they see you receive products for free, they think that because you do a review, you're getting paid to do it. No, I bought this with my own money because I love it. These two conditioners alone, like the Deep Sea Repair is like a strengthening conditioner protein, and this one, Melt into Moisture, is exactly that moisture bomb. And do not mix them together. Like, oh, I love these conditioners. So I got the big one because, again, I'm going to be doing a lot of deep conditioning. So whatever it takes to keep my tresses healthy, I will do. I did get the Mixed Chicks, and I did film a whole review and demo on this, and I did not like the quality of the video, so you'll never see it. I may record it again, and I have mixed feelings about it. And I think I finally figured out what it was. I got this from CVS, and then went and purchased the big one from the beauty supply store. I don't think these are the same. I think that this is a fake. But anyways, I'm gonna experiment more with them. Do they do that? Do beauty supply stores sell fake products? I don't know. Leave a comment, let me know. But I really don't think this big one is the same as this one. I don't. I think I got for my money. So everybody was going crazy over the Eco Style Gold, and I refused to spend $18 for any eco styling gel. So your girl waited, and I found it at my beauty supply store for basically a couple of dollars above the regular price, because people were paying $18 and it was not even this size. It was the small one. Well, not the smallest one, but this is bigger than that one, and I paid $11 for this. This is usually, and I think the normal one that's the size of the other gels is, how much is it? Like $5.99, so it was a couple of dollars more. I have this in my hair now. I guess I'll do a review on it. I've got mixed feelings about it. I do like the way my hair turned out, but I don't feel like it's as defined as what it is with my Faithful Green olive oil one. So not really sure how I feel about this gel, but it does work. Clarifying shampoo, and this is the Jamaican black castor oil shampoo. So yeah, I have a total of 3 shampoos now. Like I said, I own 1 to 2 to 3. I don't like really owning more than 3 of each like category. I got the Maui Moisture Heal Hydrate Shea Butter shampoo. I haven't been doing many videos, so I gotta update all of you guys. This Maui is my favorite drugstore brand right now. And I had the deep conditioner. I actually had 2 of the deep conditioners for this line. Oh, I love mixing it with my olive oil and leaving it on overnight. I love the deep conditioner that comes with this line so much, but I'm out of it, so I don't have it to show you, but I've gone through 2 already. And this right here is their color protection sea minerals heat shield mist for color treated hair. And it's a heat shield mist, so I like using this before I diffuse my hair. The next thing I have is the Aphogee Keratain Green Tea Reconstructorizer. Do I really need to explain why I have this one? This is definitely because of my color treated hair. After I wash my hair, before I put my leave-ins, moisturizer, or anything on, I make sure I spray my hair with this. This has always been, this right here has been a favorite of mine for years if you followed me. When I was relaxed, I used this faithfully. It was either this one or a cheese spray, whatever that's called. I can't think right now. But for chemically treated hair, this hands down is the bomb. I did not purchase this. This right here was sent to me. It is the Wash Day Wonder Pre-Cleanse Styler Detangler by Deva Curl. It's their newest product. I probably won't be reviewing this product, so I'll tell you about it now. It's the bomb. It has this slippery, like slippery texture to it, and it's like a pre-wash too. It makes your wash day go so well. If you're a person that fights with the detangling process, definitely check out this product. It is everything. Like, Deva Curl did the thing with this one, like, for real though. This is the 3rd milk, and this is the Creme of Nature for Natural Moisture Hair Milk. I've already been through 2 of these. I actually really like this milk. The next thing I bought was for my color treated hair, and I ended up getting the blue because when I learned about blue and purple shampoo, blue is what cancels out the brassiness. So I'll be using this, you know, periodically, maybe once a month. Some people I've heard use it weekly. This stuff is so drying. I can see myself using it weekly, but it helps maintain your blonde. So that is what I purchased on my haul. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Follow your girl across the platform. I am on Instagram, Traycee Simmons. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and follow your girl if you're not following me already. I don't know what I'm laughing for. I love you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. I do, and I hope all of you guys are doing well. I hope all of you guys are taking the time out for yourselves and loving yourselves. God bless you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.